Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power sun moonroof. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, hands-free communication. Your new ride is just a phone call away.